Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. From today we will start advanced topics of Python that includes object-oriented programming. Today we will cover classes and objects in Python. So let's get started. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. Classes bundle data and functionality together. Now let's see how to define a class. To define a class, use class keyword. Now let's see an example of a class. Here we have defined a class, my class. This is an example of a class car. Here we have init method. This is a special method also called as constructor. It initializes the attributes make, model and year when a new object is created. Make, model and year are the class attributes and display details is an instance method. This method returns a formatted string with the car details. This line creates an instance of the car class with make as Toyota, model as Corolla, and year as 2020. Now we are trying to access the attributes and method of the class car. You can access the attributes by using instance dot your attribute name. These lines access the instant attributes and call its methods to display the car details. Now we will see the use of str function. First we will see the string representation of an object without str function. Without str method, when we try to print the object details of a class, it will print object memory location. Now we will see the string representation of an object with str method. With str function, it controls what should be returned when the class object is represented as a string, and it prints the details of the object. Now we will see the use of self parameter. Self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class. It is used to access variables and method defined in the class. Here in this example, we are accessing make, model and year variables of the class car. Let's see how to modify the object properties. Suppose we want to modify year of the class car to 2022. We can do it using object name dot property equals to value. Before updating the year, it will print the year of the car as 2020, and after updating, it prints the car year as 2022. To delete the object property, use del keyword. Suppose if we want to delete the year of my car object, then we can use del mycar.year. You can also delete an object using del keyword. For example, we are deleting the object mycar, so we have to use del mycar. Hope you understood classes and objects in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.